Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gaming accessories. Today, we have something special in store for all you gamers out there. We're diving into the Mytrix Sakura Pink Pro wireless controller, a versatile and stylish controller compatible with a range of platforms. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The Mytrix Sakura Pink Pro wireless controller boasts a stunning cherry blossom sakura design, making it not just a controller, but a fashion statement. The ergonomic grips ensure a comfortable hold, perfect for those long gaming sessions. And with its optimal weight, you'll have no trouble maneuvering through intense gameplay. Now, let's delve into its features. This controller is a true multi-platform gem. Whether you're gaming on your Nintendo Switch, Windows PC, Steam Deck, or even your mobile device, the Sakura Pink Pro has got you covered. And with both wireless and wired connections available, you have the flexibility to game however you prefer. But wait, there's more. The turbo function and macro definition feature takes your gaming experience to the next level. With adjustable turbo speeds and programmable buttons, you can unleash devastating combos with just a click. Say goodbye to button mashing and hello to precision gameplay. And let's not forget about motion control and vibration. The built-in gyro sensors enhance accuracy for precise movement controls, while the dual motors provide immersive vibration feedback. With 4 adjustable vibration levels, you can customize your gaming experience to suit your preferences. Worried about battery life? Fear not. The Mytrix Sakura Pink Pro wireless controller comes equipped with a built-in 600 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 18 hours of gameplay on a single charge. And with its USB-C to a cable included, recharging is a breeze. In conclusion, the Mytrix Sakura Pink Pro wireless controller is not just a controller, it's a game-changer. With its stunning design, versatile compatibility, and advanced features, it's sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. So why wait? Treat yourself or surprise a loved one with this fantastic controller today. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech and gaming gear. Until next time, happy gaming!